Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log Google Sheets. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to there is no any direct way to do this, but for that you have to select the specific portion of your data which you want to log. So for example, this is the data I want to log it. So for that you have to select that specific data and go to the tool section. So after coming to the tool section or the data section, and here you have to just simply scroll down, and here is the option which is the protect sheets and ranges. Just simply hit this option. So after hitting this option, now it will ask you for a permission. You guys can set the permission and just simply hit. It will take some time. Now it will ask you for who can modify your sheet. So you have to just simply select yourself and uncheck all the mark to the another accounts and simply hit the done. And after hitting the done, and you guys can clearly see only you can use this data or you can modify this data. No one can modify this data. So you guys can clearly see here it is seen as can edit, and here is the lock icon here. So only you can edit, except no one can edit this. And here is the way to lock a specific amount of data or a complete sheet in a Google Sheet. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.